All right, viewers, we have a big breaking news coming in. NCP SP Chief Sharad Pawar is being taken to Ruby Hall Clinic Hospital in Pune from Baramati after his health worsened. We understand he had some complaints of cough and difficulties in breathing, and this is after, in fact, he was taken to hospital. So, big news at this moment. Health updates coming in about Sharad Pawar, currently hospitalized after he complained of cough and difficulty in breathing. Is what we understand. In fact, we also have a statement coming in from the hospital saying that they will be examining Sharad Pawar in the next few hours. They will decide on the course of the treatment, and if necessary, he will be All right, viewers, those are the live visuals coming in at this moment. Sharad Pawar being hospitalized, being taken inside hospital. This is the live visual coming in from Pune. In fact, this comes after Sharad Pawar was experiencing difficulty in breathing. He was persistently complaining of cough, and after those complaints, in fact, his health worsening, and now him, in fact, getting hospitalized. All right, my colleague Revati now joins me on this. Revati, we understand that Sharad Pawar has now been hospitalized after he complained of difficulty in breathing and cough. Do we have any statement coming in about his health updates as of now?
So, as of now, the latest update says that Sharad Pawar, who has been taken to Ruby Hall Clinic, will now be examined by Dr. Simon Grant, and after that, it will be decided whether to hospitalize him and admit him at Ruby Hall Clinic or no. Since morning, he has been experiencing cough and difficulty in breathing. So now, after Dr. Simon Grant examines him, it will be decided whether to admit him or not. It's been a while that he has been constantly struggling with this very problem of coughing constantly, and due to which it has been suggested by doctors to not speak more or not to talk more. So now, after once the examination is done at the Ruby Hall Clinic, then it will be decided whether Sharad Pawar will be admitted or no. Over to you.
All right. So hospital at this point is saying that they will examine Sharad Pawar and then decide on the course of treatment he is to be given. If required, he will be admitted to the hospital. Remember, viewers, this comes after, in fact, he complained of difficulty in breathing and cough. All right, viewers, Republic's